Hello everyone, my name is Josio and I'm part of the Odineroinvesting group, and I'm making this quick video to talk about two apps that I recommend my students to use if they're completely new to trading and investing. Now, the first app that I will be talking about is called Robinhood. Robinhood. Okay, so you can find Robinhood in the iOS and the Android store, and it's as simple as downloading the app, creating an account, and getting your account funded. All you have to do is link your bank to it. It's a quick, simple process. It typically takes 1 to 3 days. Now, once you have the money in your account, the money that you're willing to invest, you can start buying and selling shares. Now, quick explanation: what are shares? Long story short, shares are small pieces of a company that you can buy, and the goal is to buy them low and sell them high. Now, potentially making a profit. So, for example, let's say you're an Apple fanatic. You like the products, you buy iPhones every year, you buy iMacs, you have an iPad, the whole Apple community, right? Now, if you're an Apple fanatic and you like the company and you see that company going far, like in 5-10 years, still selling great products, they're still offering, what you like from them, and you see them still being a profitable company, I will recommend you to put some money in Apple. So for example, let's say you buy Apple today. Apple today is roughly worth anywhere between $100 and $110. Now, let's say 5 to 10 years from today, Apple grows. It might be worth 1,000. Who knows? There's no way you can predict how much it's going to be worth 10 years from today. But again, the market has always shown that it grows. Yes, there is risk. The I don't know, something bad can really happen and the stock might drop. But again, if you truly believe in the company, then I say invest in it. Do your research. Think about where you're going to put your money. But this is for beginners. So the goal here is for you to learn how to feel emotion. What do I mean by that? Now, when you're trading, as your trading career increases, then your money should increase too, right? And the emotion you get out of buying a stock and watching it grow, it's a unique feeling, right? Just like you get a different type of emotion when you buy a stock and you watch it fall, right? It drops in price and you start losing money. Well, now you start getting to you're standing to understand the different type of feelings that come hand in hand with trading. Now, 5-10 years from today, you're probably gonna be doing the same thing if you're still trading. Now, the only difference is that you might be dealing with higher amounts, but the emotion is still the same. So I want you guys to learn how these emotions affect your trading. How is it that not only technical analysis, research, and again, the overall knowledge of a company are not the only factors that affect the way you trade a specific stock. Now, to me and to the rest of the group, emotion is really important because I highly think that it's definitely 70% of your trading. If you can control your emotions and understand why stock is going up or it's going down, then you're gonna be a better, way better trader. Now, the second app that I recommend you guys to use is called Webull. Now, Webull is really similar to Robinhood. The only difference is that Robinhood it's a lot easier to use. It's really simple to understand, and it provides the information that you need for the stock that you're looking into. Now, Weibo, it's a little bit more advanced because they do provide a charting feature, which allows you to do some type of technical analysis. It's not better than TradingView. TradingView is still a great app, but again, this is for people that are just getting started. They want to get their feet wet. Weibo is perfect. You can start learning how charts look like, what are candlesticks, what are the patterns, all the basic stuff. It's included within Robinhood. Now, TradingView. Robinhood still offers it, but you might have to sign up for the premium services. And again, there's a bunch of other stuff that we can talk about, but this is just for people to start getting the feel of what's it like to trade. Now, it's that simple, guys. Download the app, and then again, you can get it in like your tablet, your phone, your computer. You can have it on the go. Put $100, put $50 in, 1,000, you name it, and start buying shares that you like of companies that you're comfortable with. Maybe companies that you shop in, right? Walmart, Apple, Disney, you name it. So start getting the feel of what's it like to win and lose money, because that's going to be one of the major influences in your trading career as you grow 5-10 years from today. And that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a new channel. I will be trying to drop videos every week or so and provide some knowledge to you guys. Again, this is the Zero Dinero Investment Group, and my name is Josio, and thank you for watching.